Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change your profile picture on Discord Mobile in 2025. Whether you're updating your look for a fresh vibe or just fixing a glitchy avatar, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Discord is all about community and personalization, so let's make sure your profile stands out. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Discord app installed on your mobile device. Head over to your App Store, update if needed, and then launch the app. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. That's the one with your current picture or initials. Now, on your profile page, you'll see a bunch of options. Look for the profile picture itself, it's usually front and center. Tap on it, and you'll get a menu pop-up. Select, Change Avatar, or something similar. Discord might tweak the wording, but it's straightforward. From there, you can choose to upload a photo from your gallery, take a new one with your camera, or even use some fun Discord effects if they're available in 2025. After selecting your image, you'll probably need to crop it to fit the circular profile shape. Use the on-screen tools to adjust it just right. Make sure your face or whatever you're highlighting is perfectly framed. Once you're happy, hit Save or Apply. Discord will process it quickly, and voila! Your new profile picture is live. A few tips to keep in mind. Ensure your image is high quality and under 10 megabytes, as Discord has size limits to prevent issues. Also, double-check your app permissions so it can access your photos. If you run into any errors, try logging out and back in, or restart the app. There you have it. That's all it takes to refresh your Discord look on mobile. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.